Today's rant's brought to you by New Works Plumbing of Sacramento. For your plumbing needs and repairs, just go to newworksplumbing.com, NEWWRXplumbing.com. Well, I'm normally hammering Marvin Bagley's father, Marvin Sr., for his asinine comments on social media. Now it's De'Aaron's father, Aaron Fox, who got into the act. He has since deleted his tweet, but Noel Harris of the Sacramento Bee put a quote out from an NBA scout praising the Kings' 9th overall pick, Davion Mitchell, and Aaron Fox simply responded on Twitter, no, 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 no. So then De'Aaron, he gets on Twitter because some idiotic fan said that, well, maybe they had something to do with the Kings not selecting Luka Doncic. Like, how stupid is that? That De'Aaron and his father were responsible for the Kings, or had something to do with the Kings not selecting Doncic? Don't you fans have anything else better to do than come up with these stupid asinine ideas? And how about De'Aaron? About his father. He's not part of my team. He doesn't work for me. He's a parent and a fan talking just like y'all. So take whatever they say as fans, having conversations like y'all do every day. Hey, you know what? Good for De'Aaron to respond, unlike Marvin Bagley when his father makes stupid asinine comments. Marvin ignores it. He gets asked about it, brushes it off. You got one guy, a professional in Fox, who handles it like a professional, comes right out and addresses it. And then you got Marvin Bagley, who is kind of immature about it, doesn't want to handle his business as a professional, and lets his dad embarrass him. Here's something else. What's the deal with the dads in this day and age? Stay the hell off social media when it comes to your son and their careers. You're not helping the situation. It makes it worse. And you put your son in a difficult circumstance. Congratulations to De'Aaron for handling it like a pro. Hey, Marvin, where are you? Check out your point guard. You may freaking learn something. You may learn how to be a professional. And that's my rant for today. Hey, if you like what I'm saying, give me a thumbs up. Hey, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I'd greatly appreciate it. Make sure you leave a comment because I will do my very best to get back to you. And as always, thank you so much for watching Grant's Rant.